Welcome back to Rashi's Kitchen, where we teach you how to make traditional, authentic South Indian meals using regular ingredients. Today, vegetable curry in the style of Kerala. Pause the video to write down these ingredients. Here we go. First step is wash and prep your vegetables. You can put the potatoes in some water to keep them from turning brown while you cut the rest of the vegetables into about half-inch chunks, coarsely chopped. Prep your pan by heating some oil over medium heat. Then, add some mustard seed. Let it crackle. Then you'll add the onion and the curry leaves. Let them brown for about 3 to 4 minutes before adding the potatoes. And brown these slightly just before adding the carrots, the beans, the garlic, and some salt to taste. Stir this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, add your spices. Add about 2 cups water and bring this to a boil. Once it's at a boil, add your coarsely chopped tomato. Just one will do. Let that simmer for 15 minutes, letting the mixture thicken. Mash some potatoes if you need a little help. Garam masala is a potent spice mix. A little bit goes a long way. Finally, add some fresh shredded cilantro. Mix it up and serve your meal with rice or flatbread. Namaste.